Hi, welcome to this video of 2021. As you might have seen and watched, many other influencers and content creators are sharing their resolutions for 2021 for the best that it can be. But I have always been triggered with those types of videos, but never have I really sticked towards the goals that I've set aside for myself for that specific year. So I am making this video as a form of my powerhouse and a motivation to wake me up every single day to achieve my goals, and I am bringing along you to this journey. I have laid down all my goals for 2021 in Notion app from a template from Ali Abdul, which will be linked down in the description box. If you have already made the resolution, then I wish you the very best of luck for it. And if you haven't made it resolutions, then I highly recommend you to start as soon as possible, because resolutions give you a roadmap towards your goals, and it will break down the structures for you to how you can achieve the goals. Even if you don't, or even if you fail to do it, then that's completely fine also, but try to just have a solid roadmap towards your goals, because that is the initiation phase. So I welcome you to this part of my journey, and I hope you and I will definitely achieve the best of the goals and the dreams that we have set aside for ourselves, and achieve some portion or achieve a little bit of portion of that sides. And without saying anything, best of luck for the journey, and I'll catch you guys pretty soon. Peace out.